Happy Thursday, everybody. CPI day today, and CPI came as expected, and we had a nice pump, then a little bit of dump, and now we're going higher again. So futures, Nasdaq futures are up 0.25%, S&P 500 are up 0.2%. You can see here, very close to getting to some resistance here on S&P. 65, 63 and up is resistance or a short zone, and on Nasdaq that's about 24,000 and up. All right. Bitcoin also in extreme overbought condition in a resistance zone. I would ideally wait for Bitcoin to come to this green line to buy. You can see very nice buys here. You just need to give it time. So you can see here on Tuesday it was in green zone. Here also you can see on Monday was also in green zone. So just wait, and it's very easy to make trades and a lot of money to be made on Bitcoin. And same thing for other indices as well. And if you guys want to know more about this indicator, join my channel. Link is in the description. And if you want to know what I'm buying, like for example, Apple, you can see buy zone. I bought it in the buy zone looking for a pump in the resistance area. I share this with my subscriber. You can be a subscriber of this channel. Let's look at long-term chart, how things are going. And while I'm going through this, hit the like button. It takes 1 second to hit the like button. This is MNQ. Ideally, I'm looking for it to come back to this neutral line, white dotted line. Eventually, it should come back. We just need to wait it out and see when that happens. So it's just gotta be a bit patient here. This is also S&P 500. You can see very close to the top red area. In a bull market, it's gonna go touch this red area. I'm looking for it to come back to the orange to buy again. You can see every time in a bull market comes back between flips back and forth between red and orange, red and orange. So that's the idea. So let's see when and if that happens. And this is daily chart. You can see here SPX again new all-time high with still some divergences with multiple gaps to fill, but very strong bull market. Any pullback, people are just buying the dips. All right. This is a live market here. You can see any pullback, you're just buying. It's staying above this green line, which is 10 moving average, and it's been very solid so far. And this is Nasdaq, same story here. Actually, a gap is here which is not filled right now, which was a Monday gap, still not fully filled. Let's see if they're gonna fill it, or today also looks like it's gonna be a green day. This is live market again, probably going towards a new all-time high. So that's where it's heading towards Nasdaq. And this is Bitcoin in front of some resistance. BTC futures from gap perspective, there's a gap around 116810. So it's going towards that. So it's going towards this gap fill, 1.9%, and then it will decide if it's going to get rejected there and come all the way back down to fill this bottom gap, or it's going to keep continuing higher. We don't know. We'll wait and watch. Ethereum is a bit bullish. There's gap around 4828. Maybe it's going there. We'll wait and watch what Ethereum will do. In terms of VIX, VIX also still not getting any buy signals, 789. So today could be a down day, could be going lower, and then I'll wait for this signal to flash to be alert that we have to be very careful. Our market might be dropping soon. In terms of stock, Apple had a really bad, big sell-off day, and this is where Apple needs to really hold. You can see this previous low. It really needs to hold here. So we could get like a rally with a big gap down. So this gap will fill 100%. We just don't know when. So I'm just gonna wait until this gap is filled. Let's see if they're gonna pick it up. Could be a lower high before they go low today, but let's wait and watch what they wanna do. Tesla also had a nice big green candle yesterday, but then they gave most of it all back. nvda also had a nice almost 4% pump. Looks like it wants to go fill this gap around 180, and avgo just keeps going higher. New highs, very overbought. You don't want to be buying this here. Just wait for it to come back, cool down, fill some of these gaps. Apart from that, bond market here is also looking very bullish, flagging above all moving averages, building a bull trend. So any pullback will be by the dip. TLT, you can see multiple gaps to be filled. We're looking very bullish. TSX just straight high, just keep going high, no, without any pullbacks. Unbelievable moves. Hang Seng Index also going higher. Crude oil finally giving down a bit, going back to this buy zone area. So it will be good to see some oil miners if you want to pick it up. Probably good today could be a good idea. Natural gas also after 7 count sell signal fill this gap so we can get rid of this. Gold also looking extremely overbought. I will let gold do its thing, let it come back, cool down a bit. This is not where you want to buy in overbought condition. Unbelievable moves on gold. Silver, same thing here. Let it come back. This is a dollar. These are the stocks you want to buy. Dollar looks like just coiling. Even after CPI, it's just holding it nicely. So could be breaking out a bit. We'll see based on Fed meeting what it wants to do. If Fed increase rates, a lower rate, then dollar gonna break down, but it could do reversal. Maybe we'll see. We will see. Maybe it will do unexpected what people don't expect. Shopify also getting rejected here, holding right on this support. Let's see if it can bounce and fill this gap at 149 today. That's quite possible. Long-term buy, CNI is a very good long-term buy. You can see at previous lows here, holding it here. So it really needs to hold here. A lot of times this acts as a support. So let's see if it can bounce from here. That will be a good area to bounce. X also coming back to, I think this 200 moving average could be a good buy around 52 bucks if we get that. So we'll wait and watch. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Let's see how this thing behaves. Looks like we're gonna have another green day, and I will keep an eye and see where market, how big this rally will be before we get a pullback. Okay, take care. Bye.